Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, pop-up models are great for announcements, sign-ups, or even special offers. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you exactly how to create a pop-up model in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. So we're gonna open the website, log in using our email address and password, then create a model wrapper by adding a full screen div and set position to fixed. So for example, we have this body, we have navigation, we have all of this, edit component, unlink, wrap in, div block. Can also use this div block section. Create component, for example, component name, select the group, the description, and all of this. Then tap on create. Then you should add a background overlay by giving it a semi-transparent background. Create the model box by placing a centered div for your content. So I will show you how. Tap on gadget, then cancel. So for example, we have this div block section, intro header, and all of this. We have this containers also, newsletter and footer. So for example, you are creating the model box by placing, as I told you, centered div for your content, hiding the model by default by setting the display to none. So you come here to the display, style, display, then tap on none, and it will be hidden. If you tap on block, it will be back. And that's the main idea. You should also add a trigger button by creating a button that opens the model. Then add click interaction by using interactions to show and hide the model. Then add a small close button if needed, including a next button inside the model. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.